Alrighty, guys, I'm back here at the Dodge Challenger. Now, I've just been told we're gonna end up fixing this, guys. I had a hard time explaining to the insurance company how something like this could happen. Okay, and I also had a hard time explaining it to them because they want to know, well, why won't it start? Why won't it crank? This is a no crank situation, guys. Notice it's still outside. I don't really like to push these inside until I'm ready to make a repair. But as far as explaining this, I have no idea. If anybody know, please let me know. I mean, look at that, guys. So let me update you guys. Yes, you can get this connector by itself. You do not have to get the complete engine harness or body harness, whichever harness this connector is connected to. You do not have to get the complete harness. So what I got ordered is a connector, which means I'm gonna have to make this harness accessible, cut it, and splice every freaking terminal. I think this is a 38 pin connector, so I'm gonna have to do every last one of them, guys. All right. So they wanted me to explain how this happened, and then they wanted me to explain, well, why won't it start? Why won't it crank? Guys, let me tell you something. The signal from the brakes, the brake input is crucial for starting. Okay, if you not, remember what you got to do to even start your car. What's the first thing you got to do? You got to press on the brake pedal, right? Right. So that signal obviously allows cranking. If the car don't sense that the brakes are applied, no, you will not crank. Okay. Now, but that signal, the pressing of the brake pedal comes from the brake switch. All right, which the brake switch is fed to here, the PCM. A lot of inputs or a lot of modules need to know the position of the brake pedal. All right, so it's not just this. Like I say, the PCM need to know that. A lot of things need to know that. But this ABS is on CAN C, I want to say. CAN C is crucial to cranking or anything else. CAN C on the same status as the ABS, as the PCM and the TCM. Yes, that's how crucial it is. That's how much they can pull down the bus. So what I had to do is explain to them, look, I can't diagnose the no crank until I get this brake system repaired. And I'm still stuck on, again, I can't explain this. I had to send pictures. Well, let me see pictures. There you go. How does this happen, guys? This is the module itself. I mean, look at the module. Just the motherboard. You can see the guts in the motherboard. Like I say, the connector, like there's something to explode inside. I can't find no information on this on the internet or through the database. So it's just one of those fluke. Now, I know a lot of guys can say, oh, Dodge, a piece of junk. It's a Dodge thing. No, guys, some things are just unexplainable. And now I'm sure this has happened before, just we will never know because nobody reports stuff like this or nobody will report it. But yeah, that's where we at on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video when the parts get here. I'll fire it back up. As far as putting the module on, that's fairly easy. I got a video right here. You can watch me replacing the module. As far as wiring in a new connector or soldering in a new connector, that's nothing more special than electrical repair. You need your solder gun, you need your crimpers, and you just need to connect everything together. And then you plug it in. Now you will have to initialize this, guys. I talk about that in that same video I carded, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video and likely upload it. Okay. But yeah, I can't explain this. I have no freaking idea what caused this. I would like to know. Y'all know the suspense be killing me, man. But I just can't explain it. So you can't get a direct answer from me at all. Well, that's all I have, guys. Yeah, that's my diagnosis. So hopefully when I repair that, replace the module and install a new connector, I will get my crank back. All right. So until then, guys, y'all stay tuned for part 2. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned. Tim says you didn't have any haters, but you will always have him. Everybody knows he cut my. I think I do, man. I had to clown a dude today, man. Tim, whoever in here, I had to clown a dude today. This dude, for some reason, I don't know what's wrong with people, man. this guy think I'm a young buck, right? So he get on my video and comment about the key video, the key issue. So I go, yeah, man, you're gonna need such and such a. I hope that ain't playing. You're gonna need such and such a. Look, this guy, he clowned me, right? And he was pretty cool with it. He was pretty forceful with it. Let me show y'all something real quick. I'm gonna do this real quick because I'm running down. Oh, I got like 5 minutes anyway. All right, y'all see this? He commented on this video. Immobilize the key can be programmed by a locksmith. All right, let's look at these 5 comments. Okay, what does that mean? This is not a debate video on who can program and immobilize. He gets mad. I can program the key myself with my OBD scanner. All right, then he goes, okay, your 3 minutes of fame is over. Go finish drinking your pint of $2 wine in one of them ugly ass PT Cruisers. The cheaper the wine, the faster the high. And I go, then why are you watching videos if you know everything? If this is not for you, simply click the stop button and move on. But no, he wasn't done. And I go, no drinking over here, no fame seeking over here, just uploading videos to help the average guy out. If you're not the average or above average, simply move on. As simple as that. But let me show you something, man, because this dude here, now I try to portray a guy that thick skin, and I am. You can't really bother me. Okay, this is right here. This is another one that's coming. My goodness, my dude, get to the point. That's what he said. Hurry up, get to the point. I guess I talked too much for him. All right, so I go, patience, my brother. You have a no start issue. You likely need to understand why. Here's the funniest thing of his old comment. I'm a mechanic myself, young buck. Over 30 years. I got a pair of pliers older than you. So I go, wait a minute, what does that mean? I never questioned your mechanical skills or ability, just your rush to judgment. Not sure I would be wasting time on YouTube watching videos if I already know everything. My point, when you figure it out, how about you make a video and let us know how? Now, my whole issue with that is, this is the funniest part of this whole thing right here. I don't know why people tend to think, this right here. He called me a young buck. Dude, I'm not a young buck. I'm not an old buck. I don't even know what a freaking buck is, but I'm not that. But my point is, like, these guys, I guess because I clown around a little bit, I can come off as childish sometimes. But this guy act like he's like 30, 40 years older than me. I'm like, dude, wait a minute. I'm not a young buck. But I didn't address that. I just addressed the issue where he jump on somebody's video and tell them to rush on how they do things. So I recommend that, why don't you make a video and show us how to do it, and do it in 30 seconds and see how much that benefits you.